I'm so excited to announce that I've been working with Brad Traversy from the famous Traversy Media YouTube channel. You probably know him. He's the one who probably sent you to my channel. And been working on a brand new course where you can learn how to build 50 projects using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here are the projects you're going to learn, and we also have a promo video which I'm going to run next. As you can see, this is an amazing course. I'm so excited we finally have this done. We've been working on it for months. And in this course, you can learn how to work with JavaScript, with events, DOM manipulation, APIs. You learn CSS animations and all sorts of crazy stuff. And at the end, you'll have 50 projects which you can use and then piece together to create even bigger projects and cooler projects. For a limited time, we have a promo code, which I'm going to link in the description. You can get it on Udemy, and you can use the code 5DayPromo, and you'll get it for the best price. I really hope you'll enjoy it. I hope you'll learn as much as you can from it. And we also have a challenge. It's called 50 Projects, 50 Days. So if you want to join this challenge and create one project every day, feel free to share on social media using the hashtag and tag me and Brad, and we're going to be there next to you and cheering you up along the journey. I'm very excited for this, and I hope you really like it. Thank you. Have a great day.